Every great mission is built by determined spirits, and every great sentence is built by small, powerful letters. Namaste, brilliant architects of language. Today, as we conclude our first week, we will master the fundamental building blocks of every English word. A great Mahatma Gandhi said, "A small body of determined spirits can alter the course of history. Like those spirits, the 5 magic vowels alter the sound and soul of every word." Let's begin with nouns, the naming words. They are the names of anything you can see or think of, a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Every English word is built from 2 families, the 5 magic vowels, A, E, I, O, U. These are the soul sounds. All other letters are consonants. They are the framework. Look around you. Your manager, person, has a computer, thing, with a problem, idea. These building blocks create your entire world. When you understand these building blocks, you are no longer just a speaker. You are an architect of language with the power to build anything you can imagine. Recognize the nouns around you. See the vowels and consonants in every word. This is the first step to true mastery. The foundation is now yours. For continued guidance, subscribe to Ujjwal Bhavishya, where wisdom meets.
The boss, not the letter, the sound. Professor Architect, your building blocks are beautiful, but your students will build crooked houses if they don't know the ultimate secret of A versus and. I'll make them masters of sound. Coming up next.